ask you question at the end?
Yeah, definitely you can do that as well. Okay, so let's practice some spontaneous speaking. Okay, so for example, see, sometimes you get topics to prepare, and then you can, do
Yeah.
some research about these topics, and then you can
Mm-hmm.
talk about these topics because you have something in your mind. Preparation is there. But today
Mm-hmm.
we'll do something different. I'll ask you some random questions one by one. So you'll have to
Okay.
quickly, use your thought process and answer all these
Mm-hmm.
questions. Okay.
Okay.
So the first question is extremely simple. You have to tell me about one of the best days of your life. So far, what was
Mm-hmm.
the best day of your life, which made you feel really
Mm-hmm.
happy? Something special happened, anything like that? You have to tell me about that, basically.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
In 2017, I birth for my little girl. So
Mm.
this was the best day for me. This was very
Mhm.
special day for me.
Okay, and how did it feel to be a mother of a child that time? How was your experience?
I can't express in the word my motherhood experience, I think.
Yes, definitely, because this is something which only a parent can, feel and understand.
Yeah.
So, how old is your daughter?
She is 4 years old.
You have two daughters?
No, one.
Only one single child, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Single.
so she is in like play school or nursery,
She is in LKG, junior KG.
junior kindergarten.
In
Okay,
next month, she will be 5 years.
5 years. So she has a
Mhm.
birthday next month, November.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice. And when is your birthday?
My birthday. My birthday is 13th July.
Oh, you are also born in July. I am also
Yeah.
born in July,
Oh,
27,
that's
27 of July. Okay, so by your birth date, what horoscope, like what zodiac sign do you have? And do you believe in these things?
No,
Zodiac
I
signs.
don't believe in these things.
Okay, never
And
mind.
my name is also not according to horoscope. It's just random. They give me a name, my parents.
Your name is Shital, right?
Yeah.
Mm,
But it is not
okay.
my accordingly horoscope. Or,
It is just a casual name which was given
yeah.
to you. What is the meaning of Shital?
Cool. Cold.
Cool. Okay, Shital Jal. Yeah,
Calm.
Hindi, yeah,
Cold.
Shital. Calm and cold. So, as a person, like, are you calm and cold, or you're like really, you have temperament?
Yeah, I'm not like my name.
Okay, like not everyone accepts that, but as you have told me that you're not by your name, just like your name actually, like cool and calm. So, like, do you have anger issues or something?
Yes.
Okay, so what happens exactly? Like when someone provokes you, when someone does something like something weird or something wrong, how do you feel about it?
I feel very angry with them.
Angry, okay.
And I also express my anger on them.
By yelling or shouting?
I can't control. Yeah.
But do you think anger is a good thing?
No, it's very
It's
bad,
not, right?
and it's also disadvantages. Lots of disadvantages.
So have you ever tried to maybe decrease it at any point of time?
Yeah.
How?
Yeah, I will by meditation. Now
I was
I'm
about
trying.
See, I'll tell you something. Even I had the same kind of issue. Like I was really, I had a very short temper earlier. I have, in the rage of anger, I have broken my cell phone, and I have done a lot of silly things which one shouldn't do. But right now, it's been like 2 to 3 years now. I don't even remember the last time I was angry at someone, because I started meditation. So when you meditate, it makes you less reactive. So whenever some situations like these happen, you first think about it, you analyze it, and then you respond. So rather than a reaction, it's a response, and the response is pretty good. It's decent, right? But you know what? Anger is a subconscious activity. When you'll feel angry, you won't realize that you're angry. The moment you realize that you're angry, you'll stop it.
Exactly.
This is what happened. So you are trying meditation for that matter.
Yeah.
Mm. Do you meditate every day or like whenever you get time?
No, now I'm these days I'm trying to meditate every day in the morning, 10
Good.
to 10 to 15 minutes.
You know what? Today is World Mental Health Day, 10th of October.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, in my opinion, I think people spend 1 hour, 1.5 hour at gym for their physical body, like, to have abs and have a toned figure. But they're not really concerned about their brain's health, mental health, basically. So I think if
Yeah.
if you can lift weight for 1 hour, if you can go running for 1 hour, you should at least give your mind 10 to 15 minutes every day, right?
Yes.
It's good. It's good for your brain activity.
Yeah.
So you meditate in the morning.
Yeah. In the morning. When you
Nice.
meditate.
I also meditate in the morning itself around. It's the same time and same place.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's usually around
Every day.
8 a.m. 8 a.m. Yes, before starting my
Right.
day. Yes.
But 8 a.m. is too late, I think, because
I
our
wake up.
surrounding is very noisy
I
that time.
I know. I know. I wake up around 7, and my surrounding is not that noisy because
That's great.
it's a top floor, and people usually go to their offices, in the morning, so I can get some peaceful time.
Okay. Then you are lucky.
Yeah, maybe, perhaps. But today I didn't meditate because I had fever last night, so I couldn't do it in the morning.
Yeah, it looks like you.
My face, right? I'm a little sluggish today. So yeah, I had 101 fever, 101
I think
last night.
it's because of weather.
Yeah, it is because of weather, definitely. So, but it happens. Like it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now I'm pretty fine because I had paracetamol, the most famous drug in our country.
Yeah.
Whenever you have some issues like that, you can have paracetamol. Simply.
You just get.
Okay. Okay. Now another question. Do you have any favorite celebrity or like anyone which you really admire or you follow them on social media or you love to watch them? Anyone like that? It can be an athlete, a businessman, an actor, anyone.
Yeah. My favorite celebrity is a YouTuber and he is Sandeep Maheshwari. I follow him on YouTube.
Yeah. He's quite a famous person. And he has around 2.5 crore subscribers. And these days, a controversy is also going on in his life.
Some
Prakhar,
with others,
YouTubers. Prakhar. And there's one more guy, Shweta Prakhar. And these people are like fighting. So what is that one thing which you really like about Sandeep Maheshwari?
First of all, he is inspire people on YouTube more, and is free of cost. His channel is not monetized.
Not monetized actually, but now I think he's going to monetize it.
I don't know.
Because if he loses the court case, he has to give 2 crore rupees to that particular guy. Yeah. And yes, in his seminars and the sessions he takes, you can go free of cost.
Yeah, and they are very positive impact on us. They are doing very positive impact on us.
So you watch his videos?
Yeah.
If you ever get to meet him someday, what question would you ask him?
How can he do this? I think how can he inspire everyone and always he is very energetic.
You will ask him the secret of his energy and his motivation, his desire to help more and more people without even money. So people are selling their content, they are earning money also. They are motivators, but they earn money. They always think about themselves. But he doesn't, because he already is earning his, whatever the kind of love he's getting, the support he's getting, he's okay with that. So that's the best part about him. Otherwise, I think in the long run, every YouTuber, they just want to sell their products so that they can earn some money.
Yeah, right? I also have a channel.
You have a channel? By the name of?
Shital the Reader.
Shital the reader. Okay. Do you also post videos, these Clapingo videos?
Yeah, now I'm starting to upload my Clapingo videos, and also I practice my I uploaded some videos with my daughter, short videos.
Short videos.
Like yeah, I'm asking her in Marathi and she translates in English like this.
Oh, that's wonderful. I would love to watch. I'll watch your video for sure. I'll also subscribe to your channel.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, nice. Shital the reader, you said, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think
you know a little bit Marathi, right?
No.
Okay.
I'm not from Maharashtra. Okay, tell me where I'm
from. You are from Uttarakhand.
Yeah, you remember. Yeah, I'm from Uttarakhand, but I don't understand Marathi.
Right.
Not even a single word, I guess.
Okay, I just thought that day you told me I little bit understand. No?
If you say something in Marathi, maybe I'll be able to get some words right.
Right.
Maybe. Not in that sense.
Nice. So your native language is Hindi?
Hindi only. Yeah. But yeah,
so many languages you know.
We have our local language also. Like Kumaoni. So I'm from the mountain, like Uttarakhand, so we call it Kumaoni. That is our local language. And then I know Hindi and then English, and I'm trying to learn Spanish these days.
Spanish. Okay.
Through an application. Just for fun.
Right.
Not like just for fun. I think when you learn a new language, your brain activity improves actually.
Yeah,
so that's the reason.
Brain.
It's good for your brain. And even learning an instrument as well.
Yeah.
Do you know how to play an instrument?
No.
But do you have any desire to learn an instrument ever?
No.
Not as such?
Not decided yet.
Okay, never mind. Actually, I wanted to learn guitar. I played it for about a month or so, but eventually I quit it because I thought it's a long process. Maybe I'll do it after some time, and after that, I didn't get that kind of motivation. Right. Okay, what else do you know? Do you know how to drive a car?
No, I'm trying to learn now.
These days. So do you practice daily or like sometimes?
No, sometimes.
Sometimes, okay. So yeah, I think it's good especially for a woman, it's really important to be self-independent in that sense. Because I think you would know two-wheeler, right? Scooty. Do you know?
Yeah, I know two-wheeler. Yeah. I ride every day.
But not the car.
But not the.
Okay, nice. Okay.
I don't know how to ride a cycle, but I know scooty. I know how to drive a scooty.
How is that possible? You learned scooty directly?
Yeah, directly. I learned scooty directly.
Nice. That's great. Okay. So now, okay, do you have any questions now? You told me that you'll ask a question.
Yeah, you just give me feedback. How can I improve?
Yeah, definitely. Today, it was good. You spoke pretty well. The reason I asked you spontaneous question to check your thought process, and initially I asked you really basic questions like the best day of your life and then birthday. So I was trying to create a story with the questions itself. So you did pretty well on that, right? Maybe in the next session, we'll do an activity for hypothetical speaking. I'll ask you if you were the prime minister, so what all things you would do? But you are not the prime minister, right? So that time also you'll use your imagination again. So we will work upon that.